Embark on an unforgettable journey to Niagara Falls, one of the world's most awe-inspiring natural wonders. Nestled between the United States and Canada, this majestic destination offers breathtaking views. Marvel at the sheer power and beauty of the falls from multiple vantage points. Take a boat tour with the iconic Maid of the Mist. To get up close to the cascading waters and feel the exhilarating mist on your face. For a unique perspective, visit the Cave of the Winds. And walk along the wooden platforms that bring you within arm's reach of the Bridal Veil Falls. Don't miss the opportunity to explore the surrounding area. Where the Niagara Park's botanical gardens provide a serene escape. Head to the Skylon Tower for panoramic views of the falls. And at night, witness the falls illuminated in a mesmerizing display of colorful lights. Niagara Falls is not just about the water. It's an all-encompassing adventure for everyone. Join us and make memories that will last a lifetime at Niagara Falls.